If you've been scrolling through social media or browsing gadget websites lately, chances are you've come across MosqiShock, a sleek-looking mosquito zapper that's quickly gaining attention online. It's being marketed as a revolutionary chemical-free solution to mosquito problems, claiming to be ultra-quiet, rechargeable, and powerful enough to eliminate mosquitoes in just seconds. Add to that the claim of over 1 million units sold and a limited-time 50% discount, and it almost seems too good to pass up. But is it really the miracle summer gadget it claims to be, or just another cleverly packaged gimmick? We decided to take a closer look, and what we found was mixed, to say the least. On the surface, the product seems promising. It's compact, easy to place anywhere, and yes, it does emit a UV light that attracts bugs. But the effectiveness isn't as instant or impressive as advertised. In real-world tests, especially in outdoor environments, its mosquito-killing power seemed underwhelming, and definitely not as dramatic as those flashy ads would have you believe. What raised more concerns, though, was the complete lack of transparency from the company. There's no clear address, no trustworthy customer service channels, and the so-called media mentions on the site appear to be made-up or misused logos. The reviews on the website are suspiciously positive and overly generic, with no way to verify whether they came from real buyers. We also found multiple reports online from customers who either didn't receive their orders on time or received units that stopped working within weeks. So while MosqiShock isn't a total scam, it does function to some degree. It definitely doesn't live up to the hype. It's more of a low-grade novelty than a true mosquito solution. If you're looking to seriously protect your home or outdoor space from bugs this summer, there are more reliable options on the market with better track records, transparent companies, and honest customer reviews. So before you click that flashy buy now button, take a breath, do some digging, and consider smarter alternatives.